Tired of boring real estate photos? Sleeping Face lets spice things up with interactive virtual tours. Collision. First, grab your phone and download the VED app. It's free and super easy to use. OK Hand. Next, upload your property photos or videos. Camera with flash, then click on the interactive tab and choose Virtual Tour. Now, the magic begins. Sparkles add hotspots to your photos, linking them to different rooms or areas. Round pushpin, you can even embed 360 degrees images or videos for an immersive experience. Exploding head. Want to add some personality? Microphone, record a voiceover or add text overlays to highlight key features. Megaphone. Finally, share your virtual tour with potential buyers. Globe, showing Americas they can explore the property from anywhere, anytime. House. So, ditch the static photos and create interactive virtual tours that wow. Starstruck, your listings will stand out from the crowd and attract more buyers. Magnet.